Life Gauge Berberine Patches are marketed as an easy weight loss solution that supposedly delivers berberine through your skin to help burn fat. But the real question is, do they actually help you lose weight, or is it mostly patch marketing? Now, to be fair, berberine itself is a real supplement ingredient that has been studied for potential effects on blood sugar and metabolic health. What it does well, berberine has some legitimate research behind it. Some studies suggest berberine may modestly support blood sugar regulation and metabolic function in certain people. Patches are convenient to use. Many users like wellness patches because they are simple and avoid swallowing pills. Where the hype falls apart, there is very little proof the patches work effectively. This is the biggest issue. Even if berberine itself has research behind it, there is limited evidence showing transdermal berberine patches deliver meaningful amounts into the body. Weight loss claims are heavily exaggerated. Ads often imply effortless fat burning and dramatic body changes that are not scientifically supported. Berberine alone is not a magic fat burner. Even oral berberine supplements generally produce modest effects at best. So, do Life Gauge Berberine Patches help you lose weight? Short answer, maybe very slightly for some people, but probably nowhere near as much as advertised. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.